Bruh, this low life suck. The fuck, I keep hitting these goddamn potholes. God damn, man. Oh, man. Oh. This is days after.
You see?
This is days.
That's what happens when you don't, have inner fingers.
Learn from my mistakes. Don't be like me. The hell? Oh. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, y'all. Follow me on Instagram, best350Z build. We already on YouTube. Like, comment, subscribe. You already see the vibes. I keep hitting. I'm tired of it, bro. I'm tired of it. I'm so sick and tired of this shit. Oh my Lord, I'm tired of this. Good day with y'all. It's another day, another dollar. I'm trying to get more guala. Here coming to you live from the G37. Today, we're going to Z1. It's been a little minute since we've been at Z1. I think the last time I've been to Z1 was with the, when I was having troubles with the Silver Z. Today, we're going to Z1 to pick up some headlight bulbs because mine decided to go out on me last night on the driver's side. I don't understand how or when, or I mean, no type of signals or significations to where, you know what I'm saying, like any issues, or, you know what I'm saying, prior leading up to it, but it's all good. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull up on Z1 and we're going to buy a fresh new pair, install them, see how they look, and we're good. Look, we got some more Z's. Look at that shit. They still doing the goddamn remodeling and shit. Alright, I'm gonna holler at y'all whenever I get up out of here. Well, didn't work out. I mean, it did. I got it. Okay, so I got the headlights. Costed me $50. I got the Morimoto D2S XB35 HID headlight bulbs. I got the pair, 5500, so it's gonna be white. Okay, I will install this later, not right now. Damn, I try to throw it in it, ended up right there. This is what they look like. Well, this is the box that it comes in. This is the bulb. It's sunlit, it's sunny out here right now, so I really don't need lights, so I'm really not worried about it too much right now. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna get the hell up out of here. Alright, so the last video, I had to end it because I tried to do the little headlight, and obviously, you know, you try to do simple stuff and it doesn't actually work out how you plan it to work out. Long story short, I went to go put the headlight in and it didn't turn on. I'm like, I knew this was gonna happen. I felt like it wasn't the headlight itself. I felt like it was something else. But, you know, you gotta spend some money to figure out what the problem is, you know. So I bought the new headlights, put it in, didn't work. I took the new one and I took the old one out and I put the new one inside the passenger side, and that one turned on. So I said, okay, so it's not the headlight itself, it's not the bulb, it's something to do with the actual headlight. So at first I thought it was the whole assembly, and I was like, maybe I'm being naive, maybe it's not that big of a deal, you know. maybe it's something smaller than that. So that when I thought it was, I didn't really know what it was actually. So I looked on YouTube and I looked on Google, and what I got back was the ballast. The ballast can go bad if it gets exposed to water, moisture, anything like that, right? I don't know what just happened just now. Okay. Yeah. So it can get, if it gets exposed to like moisture or water or whatever, the weather, blah, 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 the ballast can get messed up and it won't project the light. So basically, I'm headed to this guy that I know. He sells a lot of aftermarket Z and G parts and a lot of OEM parts as well. I'm going over here, pulling up, and seeing what all he has. I'm gonna see he actually has the ballast for me for 90. So at first I was gonna order it from eBay for like 40 bucks, but I mean not eBay, but Amazon for like 40 bucks. And but the thing about that is, if I order it, it's gonna come on Monday. Today is Saturday, and I have no headlight. I don't want to run the risk of getting pulled over and getting the ticket, because I got like 9 to pay for, as y'all know or will know. So basically, I'm coming here. I'm gonna buy the ballast from him. I'm actually gonna see what all else he has, because you know I can still buy some stuff for the Z. Nah, I ain't buying nothing for the Z until I get that shit out of the damn shop. But yeah, I'll see what else he has. If he has some camber arms, I'll definitely love to grab those. But pretty much just see what all he has inside here. And then yeah, I'm headed out. It's 7:30 in the damn morning. You know, I ain't been asleep because, you know, I'm working all night, all day, and you know how it goes. Yada, 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 yada. I don't want to bore y'all with the stupid shenanigans. All right, like, comment, subscribe. Next video, y'all know how. It's over here somewhere. Whoa, Craig, where is it at? So it says I'm here, but I don't think I'm here. What is this? Oh, there it is. I missed it. It's back there. This is what I'm. Alright, we low boys hate these damn. This is our arch nemesis right here. Well, I mean, speed humps ain't too bad, but them speed bumps, boy, them shits be annoying. Yeah, I ain't going too far. I'm gonna just like. Gloucester? We just reached the Gloucester. I did not know I was in first. I thought I was in second. Too much talk. It's too much talk. Look at this shit. Oh look at that Z right there. Okay. So I think we got to the right place. Alright, so you said 8 for this?
Yeah.
Titanium, full titanium exhaust. Got the X pipe in there for the sedan, so it could work for the sedan. You know, we got hella arms. God dang. What the heck? But you could build 50 cars, you know that? What? You could build a lot of cars. What the hell? But yeah, whatever it is that you need, G's, Z's, coupes, sedans, some things. But majority, the coupes, you know what I'm saying? Everything's on deck. From the panels, to the top, to the head, to the exhaust, to the trans, to the wheels, to the bumpers, whatever you can think, aesthetics, all that. You know what I hate the most? These motherfuckers. I hate these shit so bad. Why? Because the wheels that I got is deep inside there, so you gotta have like a specific one.
Yeah.
Otherwise, this is days after.
You see?
This is days.
That's what happens when you don't have inner fenders.
Learn from my mistakes. Don't be like me. Yep, still back here. I can't feel my damn fingers. It's 3 below 0. God damn it, I need some gloves. And just like that, she is completely back together. Let's check them lights out. So we figured out what the issue was. Hold up, I got some lights on. So now, I got headlights again. Dope. Dope. Alright, so the issue was basically two issues. The ballast had hella water in it. As you can see, hella water got exposed to this. And this was shorted out as well. So, what that tells you is, get your damn shit, bruh. Get that. I'm coming back for that. Well, I'm here again. Back at this again. Because I wasn't smart enough to put the Okay. I thought that thing that blocks the thing right there wasn't important. I was wrong. It's most definitely important. Great. Still here. Working. Look at that bullshit, man. All this water that done came out. I don't hear it. I don't hear it.
Yeah.
The rattling?
No more.
Gone. Fix it. Hey y'all, this is my first time using a damn actual lift. So I gotta put this shit on. You know, I gotta put this on again. YouTube, man. All this twisting and turning and twisting and turning. Oh. I don't know what's going on over here. Too much shit going on. Just like that. This thing works. You gotta go low. Low. Low boy. Damn, are you kidding me? It don't go no lower than that. Simon says we have an issue. Issue, Jack.
What?
I guess it's too low.
No, it's okay. Push it back.
The car?
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta put it in neutral though.
Yes. Drive it around and drive all the way back down.
Can you give me a Phillips?
That shit's still low.
Is that sound from in here? Stop.
All right, so gotta put this undershot up in here. Damn, here we go. I probably should have took it out the car before All right, so I gotta put this thing under here somehow, some way. I get it. So I gotta find some 10mm screws. This one. I don't know if we need all this, but we're gonna grab them anyways. All right, I got that undershroud in. No, I shouldn't have no more issues with this joint getting all wet. Let's bring her down, guys. Bring her down. What if my gap was this? Hey. What the world? How you made this motherfucker go down? Fuck. Motherfucker. No more freaking problems now, man. Hopefully. I pray that there's no more problems. Oh, that one. This side ain't even bad. Ah.